It's part of the show. Diba?
At first, Brett was like, let's not save them. I don't want to give our stuff.
Yeah!
Ano ba yan? I don't care. They're gonna come back. They're part of the big six. We can't lose them.
They're part of the big six. They can't be, what do you call that? They can't be taken away.
So, kasabot. Ang say point, ano yung atong libuhat? What's the point sa ginagawa natin?
The worth of the money. Why did you give it to them, Fritz?
Si Ivan na pag ano yun.
Ingat.
Huwag na, ganyan na.
May tapon.
Patron is James. Oh.
Yup, Jim.
Huwag na,
And,
James.
the tweezers, that was how you guys found it. You guys went into our room.
Ginawa ni Jenny doon. Kasi if ako pupunta doon, di ba alam nyo?
Diba? You could have just told us.
Hindi pwede eh. Kasi kami lagot kasi special task naman ni Jenny yun. Then kami lagot, di ba?
But it's our fault in the first place. We're not protecting the money.
Yeah.
James.
But she knew we had to protect the money. Yeah, it wasn't our fault.
Wait up.
Sa fault ko. Ha? Na, di ba? Hindi.
No, she didn't know.
Gusto ko bang, or alam ko bang ganitong mangyari? Sinunod ko lang if anong gusto niya.
No, just, para sunod beses
Yeah.
for the next time. Don't listen to anything except for Kuya.
Yeah, I didn't expect kaya kasi agent ni Kuya or something then, you know.
Pero we know we're not supposed to have a cell phone, diba?
Yeah, di ba hindi natin i-answer pero nag-force sila i-answer natin.
Pero walang Big Brother dyan.
But
Walang
we've gotten
sinong
letters
Big
like that
Brother.
before. Remember?
Without Big Brother?
Under the door. We've gotten stuff like that before. Remember, Big Brother's not around to say it. Like the boss of dancing, si Mickey.
Oh, yeah.
But that's typed, not written.
Or even, basic.
Pero kahit na.
Even,
Ikaw, imagine, moingon ni mo, special task na di mo sundon.
I'd probably blurt it out. That's why they didn't pick me. I would have told James. And Ryan.
Oo nga, ikaw lang.
Not either. You're the only one who wouldn't say anything.
Kasi gusto mo maging sneaky.
Magaling.
Oo nga.
Sabi ko nga kanina, what ako? Like, sa jail ako.
And Ryan was right, diba?
And
Ryan
then-
and me was right. Diba?
And then
Oh, he's
ngayon,
gonna steal the
pag
money.
ganun ng tali. Nag-think ako, natatakas ako.
Hey,
Wala na lang.
anak mo ka. Ikaw ba?
What?
Sorry, sa ingay mo na.
Kasi alam niyo.
Sige lang.
Ano?
Sige lang. Sabot na ba?
Hindi ko.
Sabot na ba?
But,
Listen. Listen ako.
ang task na ito ay tungkol sa
Sige ako. Storyan.
like, hindi tayo magpa-affect. Okay.
Sabot na ba?
Come on.
Nanak ko, di ba? Nanak ko niya.
Come on.
Sa first.
What?
Hindi.
Hindi. First time.
Anak ka na ako.
First time!
No? Twice. Sa jail food.
Jenny, sana nandito si Jennifer. Dalawa kaming maka-explain, di ba? Hindi ako lang. Kayo versus ako. Maluis yung taon mo na ako. Hindi mo ko inana.
Hindi ko maluwi.
Lain ka. Adi ka maluoy.
If wala ka naluoy, natanan ako mga gamit. So, shut up.
Ako ulit man yun. Ito yung naman ko sinunya dito. Yung glue. Hindi mo sana binigay lahat. Di man, so niya pag-ibaw nga. Lahat na yan. Damay na tayo kuha.
I couldn't use it. I want you back.
Oh.
I'm not joking, so shut up.
Muli nang takmi doon ni Jenny. Muli na ta. What? Yeah, lagot ako. Lagot kami ni Jenny. Oli-o naman taming doon. Niya ka mo nag-joke-joke. Napikon man siya. Napikon siya. Sige, sagit-sagit. Isa na lang daw yung polion.
You know what?
We're gonna evolve home, because it's no fun for the show. They just use that as a reason. If that wasn't gonna be the reason for the video, it would have been that we didn't give all the stuff that she asked for. So there was gonna be a reason. They were gonna prolong this one.
Kung ikaw nasa place na kumusam ka,
I would tell you.
natugmang mo ka?
Oh, you're playing with me? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What?
No, ana, bitaw ko na. Ataw. No, wala niyo nabalik.
What?
Last time, why didn't you come back to sleep? Kaya usually, balik na.
Yeah, kaya nga. Sige ko gunaw na.
No, why didn't you come back to sleep?
Chrissy, will you eat some more rice?
No, it's okay.
I was,
Eat, okay.
I was thinking, why didn't she come
Hello,
back?
it's Kibomik.
When I was watching you outside with Jenny, I knew it was you and Jenny already. Bogo. That you and Jenny were gonna steal it. Then I was like, at least James and everyone else is awake. I'll go to
Alam mo, abira na mo ihatag yung money and that's it. Or something. May nalanggay mo diri, nag-inana kami dito, looy tayo.
Because it's your... You just would have told me that you were lying. This wouldn't have happened. Should have just said... I said, no, I'm not lying. Like that. I would have understood that. I was like, help what now?
Next time.
Didn't trust me. I see how it is now. Much better if wala ka na anak. Wala ka na anak. Na-anak na lang.
Ganyan na lang mo!
Wala na anak na.
Kuya mo eh. What? Sa tingin mo, gusto ko yung napen. Hindi
I
mo.
missed you. You didn't come back to sleep? When I woke up, you're gone. What the F?
Sabi niya, yan yung mga ano niyo. Tingnan niyo, hindi kayo pinili. Yung pera pinili. Mga naong kwarta.
What is it?
Oh,
Anas,
kami dito. Anak Dea.
And
Lagot na kay Mickey yung pera ang pinili niya.
what about the money?
Oh.
Anna, girl, what's more important to you, the money or your friends? What I mean, both. And then we were laughing at her, both. Like that. Because my first thought that time, I was like, why are we going to give them anything? I was like, let's not give them anything. Then, and I was like, no, we should give it to them because we want them to get them back. And I was like, no, we shouldn't give it to them. And then a little bit later, everyone's like, yeah, we should just give it to them. I'm like, okay, fine, convinced. Let's give it to them, all the stuff. My fault, we shouldn't give them the stuff.
Hindi mo pa ulit.